I'm going to attempt to drive in the snow.
Either way, you're going to get a real rose dipped in 24-karat pure gold and a beautiful gift box shipped for free. Listen up. You're going to want a certain color, and they're going to sell out. Order it now and be done with it. I ordered pink and red, but they got all kinds. Platinum. Order today. $59. The absolute best Valentine's Day gift. Go to IHateStevenSinger.com or call 1-888-I-HATE-StevenSinger.
Hey, this is Jewel, and you're listening to John Hein and Gary Dell'Abate on The Wrap-Up Show.
Thank you, Jewel. Welcome back to the Wrap-Up Show. Gary had to run to the meeting, but I am joined by two stalwarts of the Stern Show. Stalwarts? I couldn't think of a good word. JD and Ronnie Mullen. We'll take your calls at 888-STERN-100, 888-783-7610. I think studs of the Stern Show. Yeah.
All right, okay. Howie Mandel. Fascinating. You must come back. We're hardly done with your interview.
Well, apparently I will be back because I'm not going to leave.
Good.
I can't get out.
If I didn't have to break, I could interview you for another 7 hours based on all this.
Thank you.
Want to go see 6 Days, 7 Nights with me today? We're going to do a private screening.
I would love to go.
All right, so we'll do it later today.
I'll go with you.
All right, that'll be fun.
Let's talk it over. It's time to make a fresh start and get back to a happy, comfortable life without worry. Don't let your lender take your home. Call us at 1-800-532-8099 right now and let one of our friendly counselors tell you how we can help you mitigate your mortgage and stop your lender from foreclosing. There's no pressure or obligation. So call now and let us tell you how we can give you the help you need to save your home. That's 1-800-532-8099. 1-800-532-8099. Call now.
Attention, Hydrolyze is currently seeking participants with dark circles and puffy eyes. If you have dark circles or bags around your eyes due to heredity, fatigue, or aging, you are eligible to see results and participate in the Hydrolyze trial. Hydrolyze was introduced to improve delicate skin around the eyes and now has been shown to eliminate dark circles and bags. It effectively diminishes even dark circles caused by heredity. To participate in the Hydrolyze trial and see results risk-free, call 1-800-477-1487. Fragile capillaries around the eye can leak, allowing blood to pool beneath the skin like an ugly bruise. But right now, you can join the thousands of people who have seen their dark circles fade away, watched as bags literally disappeared from view. Participate in the free trial by calling today. If you're serious about getting rid of your dark circles or bags around the eyes, you are eligible to participate and experience results with Hydrolyze. Call this number today, 1-800-477-1487. Once more, that's 1-800-477-1487.
Boyd Brothers Transportation is ringing in the new year and wants to be the carrier choice for all drivers in 2011. Pay is based on your experience, and bonuses and rewards are given for a job well done. Boyd also offers a zero-down lease purchase program. All drivers are supported daily by Boyd's top-notch fleet managers and support staff. Voted Best Fleet to Drive For by the TCA in 2010. Call Boyd Brothers to find out why. 800-543-8923. That's 800-543-8923.